Everyone, my name is Himang Singhal. Today I will show you how to open ready-made templates in Photopea. So let's start this video. First we have to open Photopea. And then we have to click on new project. And then we will select our screen canvas size. So I am taking this one. So we get templates over here. You can select anyone which you want. I am selecting this one. So when we select it, it does not ask us that do you want to select this. It directly opens it in Photopea. And now if you want some other templates, then you have to go in File, then open more, then PSD template. Then over here some more templates are there. Over here more options are there. Here also. So you can explore these out. Thank you for watching this video. If you like this video, please press the like button, and if you haven't subscribed to our channel, please subscribe it now. Let's meet in the next video.